Hey guys, I'm going to show you really quick how to get a video to stop stalling when you are uploading on your iPhone. So I have selected the video that I'm going to upload here, and I'm going to show you what settings you need to change on your phone before you start the upload process. So go into settings and then hover over display and brightness, and then from there go into auto lock. So you want to turn off the auto lock. You want to make it say never. And when it says never, it's going to keep the screen from going black. So that way, whenever you're uploading your video, the app doesn't shut down. This is the only way that I've found that works to stop my videos from stalling when they upload. So hopefully it will work for you guys as well. I think that this is the most useful thing that I've found to do when the videos start stalling. Hopefully this helps, guys. One thing to remember is make sure that you change the settings back after you finish recording your video. Otherwise, it will take up a lot of battery life for your phone. So if this was useful to you, just give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any other strategies for helping us upload YouTube videos faster and more efficiently, I would really appreciate it if you'd leave it in the comment section below. Thanks so much.